Protective lens cleaning and replacement. Clean the protective lens regularly to prevent spatter, dust, and debris. This helps extend its life and ensures imaging quality and performance. Inspect the protective lens after each operation. If the surface is dirty, clean it immediately. Skin oils reduce transmittance and accelerate coating degradation. Please wear clean room gloves during wiping. Never touch the lens surface with bare hands. Use a lint-free wipe, moisten with alcohol and wipe gently in one direction. Repeat 3 to 4 times until no dirt remains. Do not press hard, use light pressure only. If the surface shows dents, scratches, or coating peeling, it may lead to increased spatter and poor weld. Replace the protective lens immediately in such cases. Before replacing, please prepare lint-free wipes, clean room gloves, anhydrous alcohol, and a new protective lens. Turn off the equipment for safety. Turn off fans and air conditioners to reduce dust. Single-person operation is recommended. Avoid walking or making large movements to prevent dust disturbance. Wear an EST smock, EST cap, and activated carbon mask. Rotate the lens cap counterclockwise. Avoid touching or scratching the inner lens. Remove the lens and housing. Wear clean room gloves. Take out the old protective lens. Spatter, debris, and contaminants may be visible. Take the new protective lens and peel off film. Handle by the edge only. Do not touch the coated surface. Inspect if the new lens is clean. If needed, clean it gently in one direction, using a lint-free wipe moistened with alcohol. Clean both sides, then place it into the housing. Make sure the lens sits securely in place. Before installation, check if the surface of inner lens is clean. Avoid touching or scratching it. Finally, reinstall the assembly clockwise into the equipment. Protective lens replacement is now complete. To sum up, F-theta lens maintenance is not difficult. Follow 3 key rules. Clean regularly, clean properly, inspect carefully. This reduces costs and ensures consistent welding quality.